That's right. Don't get your dick stuck in the machinery. You can see stickers on the fridge. Over here, kind of do a video. Got the old grinder. Added this. This Black & Decker Pecker Wrecker is actually 1940s vintage. I got this from oh god, Dual Quad 302 on eBay. He's subscribed to my channel, Dwight. There we go. He's in Parampus, New Jersey. I got this from him. Man, this thing is. Yeah, I put a wide wheel on it because I have a bunch of these. So that's the same vintage as, if you guys remember, when I picked this gem up, it's 110. And I was told that with that style of Black & Decker, that's the matching stand. That was 1940s. Originally it was gray. Someone painted it green. The old 10-inch grinder. See, I got a fan running. It's raining out there. Got the trencher running. Got the carb kit in finally. Running great. All I need to do now is, well, I was going to do it, but it started raining. Finished weld. I put a new muffler on it. Got right here. Wow, that's hot. There's the handle. Okay, it's a paper guillotine. There's the the blade, and the wood stuff was totally gone. I got this out of the resource pile out at the ranch. It was totally rusted like that right there, you see. So the wood surface that the paper would rest on, you know, the paper cutters, totally gone. So I'm gonna do that, get it cleaned up, just pulling the rust off, using these, you know, wheels, abrasives. I love these things. Tell you what, these right here, these Roll-Lock discs, Scotch-Brite. Let me get one that has the lid on it. Okay, so that right there, because you guys always want to know part number. Roll-Lock, Scotch-Brite, unitized wheels, those things will get with it. You can get them in, I've got a bunch that have the 1/4-inch hole in the middle. I've got Roll-Lock. Heck, they even got them where you can put them on that, and I will probably eventually. So you got to have something that's got power. Don't get a new cheap bench grinder that won't do it. Yes, you guys have seen this in the background. K.O. Lee B660. Waiting for a new flat belt. That one just, it's seen better days, as you can see. Missing pulleys. It's only got one size because it's got the super speed head on it, and it actually shows on this side right here the diameter of the wheel, and then the speed, motor pulley, and then the quill pulley diameter, and then the spindle speed you can end up with. So I'm going to make some pulleys because they're flat belt. They've got a slight crown on them. I've got all sorts of tooling I can put up here. This one, I know I had to fix this. Okay, this actually has a 2-speed. Okay, and then you pull out or push in, actually. There we go. You push in and then it goes slower. This was full of gunk. It's got the old wick oilers in there where you know, put oil in there, and then a couple at the back. Actually, there's one there, the wick oilers. Hold it up real good. Someone painted it with a bunch of freaking red paint, glopped it on. I pulled all the nasty off because a lot of it just looked like that right there. Just really nasty. Anyway, fun fact about this piece of equipment, 1940s vintage. Fisher Tank Division. Fisher Tank plant, Fisher bodies of, you can look them up, and I did a Google search. Fisher Tank Plant World War II. They've Fisher bodies have been making like stagecoach bodies. They even make stuff nowadays. So this little bit of World War II history tool, cutter grinder, works great. Rotate, just cleaned it up. There haven't been any issues with it other than that was broke and I had to weld it, silicone bronze, and then machine, you know, it down a little bit. Sorry about that. So yeah, we're getting everything set up. It is 220, actually it's 443 phase. So in order to run it, back this up a little bit. I got the fan running because it's humid. We go over here to the American rotary phase converter. Bam. We go over here because this is 3-phase. Forward and reverse, back when everybody was proud of their stuff. And, you know, that's the wheel I got on it right now. I mean, I put something on there, but it slips off as soon as you try to put any load. So I'm going to make some pulleys. I'm going to get some new belts. And I'm going to get them from McMaster-Carr. I found a place where I can get the belts. So yeah. I've got this little piece in here. Again, I was just setting stuff up. I haven't set anything up. You can move this angle, you know, because there's your degree wheel down there. I'll try to, if it'll let me zoom in. There you go. You can set your degree there. Plus, you can set the degrees on the table if you need to. You can rotate this sucker. It's on either end. So, there you go. Yeah. Figured I'd post a little video here. Show you what we got going on. Step outside here. Yeah. Alright. So, oh, I was going to get the key and start the trencher up. Let me get the key. Let's turn off the rotary phase converter. Okay. The key. Alright. Let's go out here. Alright. So it's going to be loud because, you know, that I've got to weld that on. And it tries to move. Of course it does. Come on. There we go. So there we go. Zenith carburetor. The old Davis Fleetline 30+4. For those of you curious, yeah. Old piece of equipment. That hour meter hasn't worked in decades, and that's not even right. So there you go. Finally got it done. Finally got the stove done. Sitting out here, my buddy Rebel's gonna come get it. And sitting out here getting rained on, which is fine. It's going to go in the house and get used. I'm not worried about that because all that's just going to come off. Yep. There you go. The old Admiral 1868 auto stove. Ta-da. That's all brand new. Well, there you go. There's your update. of what we've been working on out here. So yeah, good stuff. Those are handy. Need to brace your arm, your torch, whatever. So slowly getting jiggy with it. And there you go. Figured I'd show that. General Electric. Works great. I'll do a video separate on this, guys, whenever I get it up and running and doing stuff. So there you go. Hope you enjoy it.